How's it going, guys? We're going to go ahead and review Trend Micro Maximum Security. This is what it looks like here. This is Trend Micro's flagship product. Now, if you want to download a free trial just like I did right now, go to trendmicro.com, click up here where it says products, click on Maximum Security, and once you're there, scroll all the way down. They have it kind of hidden down here, right here where it says Maximum Security. Where it says compare products, go ahead and click on free trial, and that's how you can download the free trial. It's very easy to use. I like how Trend Micro makes it really easy to get to all the features. It's got a big scan button here. Now keep in mind that scan button will do a quick scan. You actually got to click on the little downward arrow here and click on full scan, because you want to do a full scan. You never want to do a quick scan. We actually call quick scan cheap scan. So make sure you do a full scan. Now, depending on how fast your computer is, or how slow it might be, and how many files you have on your computer, this might take anywhere from 1 hour to maybe all day. So just let that keep running. Now, while that scan is running, let's go ahead and take a look at all the features of Trend Micro Maximum Security. Now, Maximum Security means it's going to cover everything: your device, your privacy, your data, and even family with parental controls. Let's first take a look at the device features here. I do notice my computer is running a little slow with that scan. You guys will probably notice that too. So when you're scanning, it'll go a little slow. Alright, so under the device tab here, we have security settings that we can change. We have PC health checkup, which we can't do that right now because there's a scan. But basically that'll optimize the performance of your computer. Mute mode, which temporarily stops non-critical notifications while you're doing important tasks like gaming or working on a big collage, doing something important. And also you can protect other devices, but when you click on there, it's going to take you to all the other software that Trend Micro has. Let's take a look at and configure the security settings to see what it does. For example, it's got real-time scanning and web filtering, but when you click on configure, you will be able to see what else it can do. For example, right here, scan preferences. It'll scan for threats when opening or saving, downloading suspicious files. So every time you download something, it'll scan it for you. It'll do machine learning to protect from new unknown threats. So it'll basically get to know what you have on your computer, and when new stuff tries to come in, like attacks or something, it'll pick it up. It'll check if programs try to make unauthorized changes, so every time a program tries to do something, it'll let you know. It'll prevent programs on portable drives from launching automatically, so if you plug in your flash drive and anything tries to pop up automatically, it'll stop it. And immediately close programs that have been exploited by hackers. So if it picks up that the program's been hacked, it will close it for you. It protects documents against unauthorized encryption or modification. That's ransomware, which we'll get to that in a bit. And it backs up files that are encrypted by suspicious programs, and scans for. So it does a lot of stuff here. I can go through it all here. It's gonna take, but it'll take all day. Protection level. Right now it's set to automatic. I recommend you keep it there. If you go too hypersensitive, a lot of stuff won't work. You'll try to open stuff and they'll say, "Oh, it might be a virus," when in reality it's just a program you're using. And then normal, which is probably too lenient. So keep it here on automatic. You can click on the little information tab here. Increases the protection level. So automatically delete files that show any sign of threat. So it's got all these settings, and it's got more. If you click here under other settings, you'll find even more of them. Extra security or extra performance. And then we have network settings as well here. Smart protection network. And I recommend you just leave it all the way it is. You can also enable a password protection to prevent unauthorized changes. Background and animation, you could change that as well. This is for the program itself. If we apply that, I think it'll... that's new. I didn't know I had that. Cool. So that's just a look. I don't see it though. Where is it? Anyway, let's go back. Let's hit OK. And let's go back to the main screen. And oh, would you look at that. We changed the background and look, you can see it right there. Alright guys, now let's go under the privacy setting here. And look at that background. It looks nice. It slowed down the computer a little bit using that background, just to let you guys know. So I don't recommend you guys use it. But anyway, under privacy, maximum security protects you from avoiding too much personal information on social networking sites. So that's on, and you can also configure that. Social networking protection, which see at a glance which links shared on your popular social media sites lead to safe or risky web pages. You can also configure that. Those are on automatically. And this PayGuard protects you from financial transactions while online banking and shopping in your default browser. That is a program within itself. To open it, you click open here. And here it is. It'll give you an introduction. So it helps you enjoy a secure environment while banking. But when you open PayGuard, its powerful protection features are applied to your default browser automatically. So I think that, okay, it's opening it up right now, I think. So it basically opened up the browser here, and now you're ready to go. So you just start browsing from there. So that's pretty cool. All right. Also, data theft protection, it's off right now. Let's go ahead and configure and turn it on. That stops hackers and spyware from stealing sensitive data. Let's hit configure here and turn it on. So every time you go to configure, it'll give you a little introduction. So by storing just a few digits of your credit card number, you can help stop hackers and spyware from intercepting the sensitive information. Okay, I'm going to click OK. I haven't looked into this, so this is the first time you and I are both looking at it. So you make a password. I'm just going to make something simple, 1 2 3 4. Hopefully it doesn't get mad at me for making something simple. 1 2 3 4 @ 1 2 3 4 @. Oh, my bad. Once you create a password, then you could turn it on. So it's going to stop protected data from going into web pages or email messages. Use the predefined categories below. So you make a new category, and then you could call it credit card. And what to protect, you could put your number on there. So basically, putting just a part of word or number on the list below can still protect the whole thing. For example, also you could just put a part of it. And if somebody tries to grab it, it'll block them. So that's basically what this is. I don't recommend using this because I wouldn't put my credit card number in there. I really wouldn't. I don't know, guys. Let me know what you guys think about using this. I don't think I would do that. I'm going to turn it off. I don't think I would use that. But I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know, guys. All right. So that's it for privacy features. Let's go ahead and take a look now at, oh, it looks like a beautiful background right there. That scan's barely at 5%. That's going to take all day. Okay, then let's go take a look at data features here. Data protection features for maximum security. So folder shield is on. This is what prevents ransomware. We're going to go and click on it so we can see what that is. So it can prevent ransomware from maliciously encrypting your files. What is ransomware? So ransomware can lock you out of your computer or prevent you from opening important personal files until you pay a ransom to the attacker. So the way the folder shield works is it selects folders you want to protect, and folder shield will keep those files inside safe from ransomware attacks. So basically, ransomware sucks. I've seen it before, guys. They lock your files, and the only way to get them back is if you pay the ransom to the attacker. And I saw a lot of, some people had some very important files, very important, that they actually paid them. And when they paid them, they didn't even unlock them. They asked for the money again, and then again, and they paid like 7 times. I'm not kidding. I knew some guy that paid 7 times, and they don't ask for just a little bit of money. They ask for like $100. This guy paid $700 and never got his stuff back. This stuff is bad. So having that folder shield is very important, guys. Also, a feature here is secure erase. With secure erase, you can erase sensitive files so that nobody can recover them. If you hit configure, we could look at that real quick. So there's 2 types of erase. Quick erase, where it just erases it from the recycle bin and overwrites it one time. Permanent erase will overwrite it 7 times. Right here it says 7 times. So if you really want to be sure that it got erased, you can use permanent erase. It erases 7 times. You could turn that on. I'm not going to turn it on because I don't know if it's going to erase a lot of stuff on my computer. Because I think I have some stuff in the recycle bin I don't want to get rid of right now. It's just sitting there. I don't want to turn it on because it will erase the stuff on your recycle bin, because that's where it goes through. So that you can use that. That's a pretty cool feature. I like that. Also, there's the password manager, but that's a completely different program. You have to download it here. And then last but not least, here we have the vault. It's a password protected folder. Let's take a look at it. It's a password protected Windows folder that can safeguard your sensitive files. So here on the vault, you could put your stuff into also, and it protects them. Let's click OK. So here it is. So you got to purchase the full version of your Trend Micro security software. It's not going to let us use it with the free trial. That sucks. You actually have to purchase it before you can use it. Man, what the heck? All right, whatever. All right, now let's take a look at family features here. This will be parental controls. Click configure to configure them. All right, so the introduction. Making this computer kid-friendly takes a few minutes. Set a schedule to limit each member of the family to when they may go online, or have same rules apply to everyone. Block entire categories of inappropriate stuff. Prevent selected programs from running. And start getting detailed reports about what your children are doing online. That is pretty cool. Let's take a look at it. All right, so here we are. We're going to hit next. So website filter rules. This is where you start actually modifying it for your family. So enable website filter rules, block untested websites, block search engines. Preset is not doing that. Select an age, 13 to 17-year-old. So select the age of your kid is. For example, if it's a 3 to 7-year-old, it'll block a lot of stuff. So right here is where you can block adult or sexual, intimate, apparel, pornography, communications, or media. If you want to block social media, you could do that. Of course, a 3 to 7-year-old, it's blocking everything. Look at that. Once you go up in age, social media is not blocked for 8 to 12. I would still block social media. Screw that. I don't know about blogs, email, peer-to-peer. Peer-to-peer networks, guys, there's a lot of pornography in peer-to-peer. You want to block that. Just let you guys know. Abortion, gun clubs, and hunting. It blocks gun clubs and hunting. I think Trend Micro are... I'm not going to say it. I'm not going to get political. All right. 13 to 17. No way. Oh, wait. Okay. The only thing it's blocking 13 to 17 is erotic and nudity, pornography, proxy avoidance, illegal drugs. Okay, but you can go ahead and do, you can customize it the way you guys want, guys. You can go custom here, and you customize it the way you guys want. Then you click next, and now you set up your time limits. So detailed daily schedule, so then here's the table of the time and days, and you can go ahead and block whatever you want. And then click next. Now program controls. Now here you're going to have to add. You select enable program controls. If this is a program you don't want them to use, you can add it right here. Click add, and it'll bring you a list of all the programs you have. You select them, and then you can select which ones to block. So here you just select which program. If there's a program you want to select, you select it, and then that's how you do it, guys. All right, and then hit next. And you're pretty much done at that time. And you hit done, and there you go. This is the easiest, most easy step by step to follow parental control system I have ever seen, guys. I'm gonna have to give Trend Micro a 5 out of 5 on this one. I'm not kidding either. Well, actually, I'm not gonna give him a 5 out of 5 until I see what the price is on this thing first. But I gotta tell you guys, this parental control system is awesome. I like it. I really do like it. You can even change the picture of the person of your kid that is getting parental controlled right here. That's pretty cool. That is pretty cool, guys. I am impressed. I am impressed. Man, I might actually buy this. All right, we're gonna hit OK, and now we're gonna go see how much it costs now, guys. Alrighty, guys. So maximum security. It's a 5-user and 1-year protection program here. For 1 year, though, what happened to the one-time payment? So the regular price is $89.95, but it looks like they have a promo price right now for $44.95. And it does everything that we went through. And it includes toll-free product support. For $44.95, and that's for 1 year, because of the parental control system that it has, I think I recommend it. Now I'm not selling Trend Micro, guys. I don't get no profit out of selling. Like I'm not a partner with them. This is just a straight up review. But if you guys liked all the stuff that it protects, I think the parental control system is one of the most important ones. I think it's worth it. I mean, I see some antivirus programs that are just ridiculous. The only thing I don't like is the 1 year. The 1 year. It should be a one-time payment thing. Because it's not a one-time payment thing, I'm going to have to give them a 4 out of 5. But the price is okay. So I'm going to give Trend Micro Maximum Security a 4 out of 5 stars. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you soon in the next review.